Now, if getting your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is all you've ever longed for, right, to get you monetized on this platform, come closer, because right here in this video right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can bag your first 1,000 subscribers today. All right, and if you stick with me up to the end of this video, trust me, it's not going to take you more than 30 days to be able to gather your first 1,000 subscribers. So if this is what interests you guys, I want you to get a glass of water, come back here and stick with me while we dive right into the subject matter. Meanwhile, if you are a returning subscriber, you are the real OG, and if you are seeing me for the first time on this channel, my name is Frank. I make videos around social media growth and monetization. So if that's what interests you, go ahead and smash the red subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, so that whenever we get to upload amazing content just like this one that you are about to watch right now, you're going to be the first to be notified by YouTube, and obviously be the first to take advantage of the video. Alright guys, that being said, let's dive right in. So the first thing I need you to understand that subscribers is actually a byproduct of the views on your channel, right? So subscribers does not just appear on your channel. They actually come from viewers who are actually viewing your video, love what you are doing, and then they want to subscribe to your channel just so they can be getting more of this content, more of the content that they will actually feed in on from time to time. All right, so to be able to bag your first 1,000 subscribers, you must ensure that your channel and your video is attracting as much views as possible. So rather than focusing on the subscribers, let's go ahead and focus on how your videos or your channel can actually get more eyes on it. So you want to ensure that whenever you upload a video onto YouTube, you want to have a good number of eyes on those videos, and then when these people go ahead to watch your videos, rather, these guys go ahead to subscribe to your channel. Now, don't get it twisted, it may be none of those things you've actually heard on YouTube. All right, just stick with me to the end of this video and ensure not to skip any part of this video. All right, so the number one thing on my list of the things you want to do to actually have enough eyes on your videos to earn you subscribers is to actually jump on trends. So like you can see right here on my screen, all right, this is my YouTube studio, and you can actually access them from your laptop or your phone. All right, it's pretty much the same thing, right? So if I come over to where I have my analytics, that's going to load up, and in my analytics, so I come over to where I have trends right here. So on trends now, what's actually popping up on my screen right now, like you can see what people are looking for. Now, the way the YouTube trends work is these topics right here are actually the topics that my viewers are actually interested in. All right, these are the topics that my viewers, my audience, actually coming over to YouTube to search for. Okay, so like you can see what people are looking for, what people in my niche, what my viewers are actually searching for: how to monetize YouTube channel, YouTube target for monetization, best time to upload YouTube videos. Now, these are all topics that my viewers are actually searching for. Now, if I should go ahead to make a video in either of these topics right here, trust me, I am going to have, like, there is no it is certain that I am going to bag as much views as possible, because once this video goes out right there, these guys are definitely going to find this video, because the search for these topics, trending topics, is actually ongoing, and that's why YouTube is actually showing me right here that this is what people are actually looking for right now. So what I want to do is to actually help people solve this problem, help them solve this problem by creating a video with this title, you know, and other SEO features to actually get this video found by these guys. So if I go ahead to click on how to monetize a YouTube channel here, for instance, now that's going to load up. Now you see what's happening here. You're going to see top searches for this topic. Number one, how to apply for monetization on YouTube. Now you can see right here it is high volume. High volume means a lot more people actually searching for this topic, how to apply for monetization. If I come over to where I have how to apply for channel monetization, almost same thing, and this actually has a medium volume search, right? And the third is how to monetize your YouTube channel in mobile. All right, still medium volume. So like you can see right here, you can actually be targeting the high volume and the medium volume, all right, and not the low. All right, the high and medium. So high and medium is, these are the topics people are actually searching for. So what you want to do is to actually come over to trends and write down all these topics. All right, get into your notepad, write down all these topics that people are searching for. Remember, target the high volume and the medium volume. So what you want to go ahead to do is to make videos around these topics. All right, use these topics to make up your title, and you can also go ahead to use these topics to make up your description write-ups, right? So in that way, you're actually getting your video and your channel, you're actually getting that video SEO optimized, in that whenever these guys, your viewers, come over to YouTube to search for these topics, YouTube will actually suggest your videos to them to watch. And trust me guys, this is one amazing way to actually bag as much views as possible. And trust me, when these guys go ahead to watch your video, they are definitely going to subscribe to your video if your video is actually full of value, because everyone wants to associate with value. All right, I just hope I'm clear. Hop over to YouTube, hop over to your analytics, trends, and then try to get these topics that are high and medium volume searched for on YouTube. Go ahead to make videos using this title and using these keywords for your video description, and watch these views trooping your channel in less than no time. And the second thing you want to start doing as soon as today to get more eyes on your video that will land you the subscribers you need is to actually start uploading shorts. Upload shorts on your channel. All right, so if you've not been uploading shorts, if you are not the type that upload shorts on your channel, trust me, to land your first 1,000 subscribers, uploading shorts is very, very paramount. All right, so I recommend that you upload up to 3 to 5 shorts in a day. So past statistics of YouTube has actually confirmed that short videos actually travel much faster than long form videos. Like, there is a high tendency for people to actually discover your short form videos easily on YouTube than your long form videos. All right, so if you imbibe the habit of uploading at least 3 to 5 shorts in a day, trust me, the sky is going to be your starting point. Okay, so there are a lot more ways of actually getting your YouTube shorts. All right, so you can actually create your shorts from scratch. I mean, put your phone on a 9:16 portrait mode, right, and then go ahead to film your shots. All right, so if you are a type that doesn't have the time to actually go through all this, I mean, going ahead to film your shot from beginning. So YouTube has actually made a lot of features available on YouTube that can actually help you produce shots in less than no time. And one of those features is actually called green screen, and the second of those features is actually called collab, right? So with the help of green screen and collab, you can easily use someone else's video on YouTube to actually get your shots ready on YouTube. So I don't know, if you don't know how to actually do that, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to actually make a fresh video teaching you how to actually make use of green screens and collab to actually produce as much YouTube shots as you can. All right, as much YouTube shots as you can in a day and in less than no time. So to get your first 1,000 subscribers, imbibe the culture of uploading YouTube shorts. Recommended 3 to 5 shots in a day. So the last thing I'm going to be stressing on this video to get your first 1,000 subscribers is actually asking your viewers to subscribe. Yes, asking your viewers to subscribe. But hey, this is not your conventional request where you just start up your video and then you're going ahead to ask your viewers, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, like my video, blah 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 blah. All right, so asking your viewers to subscribe is not actually a bad one, but this has to be done strategically, right? Now, before you ask your viewers to subscribe, like I had mentioned earlier, everyone wants to associate with value. So you must have gone ahead to pass out as much value as you can to your audience, in that whenever you ask them to subscribe to your channel, they are not going to resist. Yeah, they are not going to resist. For instance, I believe if you are watching this video up to this moment, you must have gotten a lot of value. So if I should ask you right now to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, I don't think that would be a big deal, right? Alright, so if you are not subscribed to this channel right now, I'm going to wait for you. I'm just going to give you 5 seconds. Go ahead, smash the red subscribe button. Have you done that? Turn on bell notifications by the side. And then go ahead to like this video. Yeah. And then don't forget, towards the end of the video, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thought is concerning this video. Now you see, I just ask you to subscribe, and irresistibly, I don't think you can actually stop subscribing to this channel because of the value you've gotten in this video from the onset. So what you want to do is pass value onto your viewers. So once you feed them with as much value as you can in your video, then you can now humbly request them to subscribe to your channel. And trust me, a good number of persons watching that video are actually going to go ahead to subscribe to your channel, because everybody wants to associate with value. They actually want to learn from you, and they actually want to come back to learn from you. Alright guys, that's all for now. I remain Frank, your social media growth and monetization expert. You want to subscribe to the channel if you have not done that, turn on bell notifications so that whenever we get to upload amazing content just like this one you're watching right now, you're going to be the first to be notified by YouTube, and obviously be the first to take advantage of the video. Alright guys, that being said, I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye for now.